Hi, today we're going to talk about simple order form. So this is a simple form which will help keep track of all the orders that are being received in your business. So we've got a first name, last name, email ID, product ID, quantity, delivery address, and then a special delivery instructions that you want to track. So once you fill in all the details over here and click on submit, the responses will get captured over here in the responses view, and you can track the details of who has filled the particular form. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly fill out this information randomly, and then we're going to see how it gets captured onto the responses part. So I'm going to quickly put some records over here. So as you can see, I have entered some random information, and once I click on submit, it will say that the response has been submitted. And once you go back to this responses view, you can check that the response has been captured over here. So you can expose this particular form link by clicking on share form and copy form link. You can expose it to the user who wants to fill out the form, and once they fill in the form details over here in the simple order form, all the responses will be captured under the responses view. Other than this, I also want to highlight about a new tool, PDF Output, which helps you generate PDF documents in bulk utilizing Google Document as a template and a Google Sheet or Notion database as a source of database. So below I've added a demo video of how you can generate professional invoices for a business. So you can watch this video to understand how it works, but it is fairly simple and straightforward. So do check out PDF Output. If you have any questions other than this, please reach out to me at notionformyuse@gmail.com, and I'll be happy to assist you on this further. Thank you. Have a great day.